Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're working on a 2013 Mazda Miata. And what we're going to be doing today is installing a Kraftwerks Super Charger into the Miata. So this is the beginning of what a stock engine bay looks like with no modifications whatsoever. What we did do to the car was put in some aftermarket sway bars with white line end links. And what we have over here is the Supercharger kit itself from Kraftwerks. We got a new little canard piece. A lot of goodies are going in the car today. Horns, headlights, but we're definitely gonna be putting this guy in today. I'm gonna take you guys along for the ride with me as we do this install. I'm gonna try and update you as much as possible, but it's gonna be mostly time lapse here and there. So once I get the Supercharger unboxed, I'll give you guys a good look at it, and we'll get going on the project. Here we got the instruction manual. Let's give those right to Bill.
There you go.
We got a license plate frame, some big fancy stickers. Look at all this fun stuff. Wow. Windshield banner. A lot of other stickers. More boxes. Let me grab a razor blade. All right, let's see what we got here. All right, Bill, what do we got?
Let's see.
Oh, yeah, all the drive belts.
We got some belts.
Pulleys.
Pulleys.
Yep, all types of
An
good
idler.
stuff. Yep.
Another pulley.
Red Loctite looks like.
Yeah, looks like that.
All right, let's throw that box onto the floor there. Move on to the next one here. This one's heavy already. Hey, Bill, I'll let you do the unboxing here.
This is highly technical. I may be exceeding my limitations.
Oh yeah, more fun stuff.
Oh, we got brackets.
Yep, brackets are in here.
Lots and lots of hardware.
Wow. That might be the main bracket for the Supercharger kit itself.
Yeah, that feels like a big.
Wow.
Yeah, that is. That's a Supercharger bracket.
Yeah. All right. More surprises in every box, I'll tell you what.
Next victim. I didn't go through it.
Uh-oh.
Told you. I've exceeded my limitations as far as mechanical ability is concerned.
All right, hoses.
Hoses and wire ties and fittings, vacuum fittings it looks like.
All right. I'm getting there.
Clamp.
All right, onto this big guy here. That's upside down, actually. I'm sorry.
Oh, this is heavy. This might be, that can't be the turbocharger itself, I don't.
Oh, doubt it.
The
Let's
supercharger
see.
itself. Sorry.
Oh boy, more hoses and wow.
I don't know what that is.
All kinds of good stuff. What is this here? Rotorex traction fluid.
Yeah, that's the fluid for the
Okay.
supercharger itself.
All right.
More hoses and there's some sort of bracket down
All
there.
right.
Okay, I'm waiting for the big one.
All right, we're getting there.
This, no, this is not gonna be it.
It's got to be in this box here.
No, that's the tubing. That's
Oh,
all the
yeah?
piping. This is the,
Oh, that's the actual thing.
yeah,
Oh,
that's the actual deal. And they gave me a razor blade so I can slit my wrist later if things don't work out.
Oh boy, you got injectors and
fuel injectors. I don't know what that is, locks.
265 liter power E85 in tank. Wow.
That's gas tank, gas pump.
Yep, all kind of hardware in there. Okay, we'll get around to that.
And this is going to be the one that I'm really interested in seeing.
This is going to be the top-notch part here. Here we go. Oh, this is it right here. Wow, Rotorex. Oh boy. Oh yeah, this is it.
Dun dun dun.
Oh yeah, look at that.
Look at this baby, huh?
Rotorex. Wow. We are good to go now.
You know what we don't have?
What's that?
Maybe it's in the big box. I hope. An air filter. Yeah, there's gotta be a piping.
Yeah, it's gotta be on there. Yeah. All right. Put that back in there. That's gonna do all the hard work. Make the car nice and fun now. More so than it already is.
Yeah.
All right. All right, moving on to this big boy here. Intercooler kit, looks like. All right. This has got to do all the tubing. There we go.
Here we go.
Oh yeah, look at all those pipes in there. Wow, look at the intercooler. There's your air filter in there. All your pipes. More pipes. They gave you a cutout so you could spray paint the logo on the intercooler if you choose to.
How about that?
That's pretty cool.
Intercooler. There should be an oil cooler in here too.
Yeah.
I would think. Maybe that's in one of those other boxes?
Could be.
I don't anticipate that's going to be that
That's a big intercooler. That's got to be 4-inch at least across the top. Wow. All the couplers and elbows and your air filter. And wow, guys.
All the hose clamps. Look at them.
Wow.
Got enough?
They didn't skip anything on this. Wow.
Well, I did some research, and this is supposed to be one of the best superchargers you can get for this car.
Yep. All right, well, might as well get started on it. Let's start the stripping the car down over here. Gonna put you guys on a little time-lapse footage. You don't want to see me turn every nut and bolt, do you? All right, here we go. Alright guys, a little update here. We got the Kraftwerks Super Charger in. Got the, it was very interesting, very double ribbed belt. There are ribs on each side. The tensioner's in down there. We got a light so you can see. That's a new tensioner bracket. A double ribbed belt, like I said, which is strange. Got the drive belt behind here. And then the heat shield, not the heat shield, but another reinforcement bracket here. It says Kraftwerks on it, their logo. Got those all torqued down, and got the Kraftwerks radiator hose on. And, moving right along, so I'll update you again in a couple minutes.
Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
All right, guys, we got the intercooler in, all mocked up. well, permanently placed now. This is the wrong bracket they sent us initially. They had a sensor replacement because the one they sent us only had a 90 on it, and they wouldn't, you know, there was a lot of leeway, like a ½ inch here and a ½ inch there. The bracket's too big, so they overnighted us a brand new bracket, which we had to pay for, which sucks, but you know, thank you to Kraftwerks. But now we're gonna move on to installing the intercooler plumbing, and go move on from there. I'll update you guys. All right, fellas, we're back. We're completely installed for the most part. We're moving on to now, we're just programming the ECU. Then we got to install the fuel pump and injectors. We're ready to fire this thing up and take it down the road and maybe roast the tires off it. See how the day goes, you know. But this is the Kraftwerks Super Charger kit. We got to install the coolant overflow reservoir still. The injectors are going in next, and then the fuel pump. You got to pull the interior apart for the fuel pump.
Put in the purge valve.
And the purge valve. The purge valve is next. But overall, wasn't too bad of an install. Got the can there, and the intercooler's on. All the piping went in, Kraftwerks. Kraftwerks everywhere. Kraftwerks, all of it. Good stuff right here. So, we're getting there, boys. We fire it up, come right back to you. Alright, fellas, all together. Got the whole kit installed. Letting it warm up right now. Added the fluid, radiator fluid, power steering. Everything is all together. It's running good. Got one code. Put the cap back on there, Bill.
Code I got is for anti-slip or whatever it is.
Okay.
Traction control.
Okay, because you're in the air. Yep.
Maybe, yeah.
Everything's together, fellas. The only thing left to do is install the new fuel pump, and the car is 100% complete. We're gonna download the new tune, make it drivable, and the car is completely finished. So, there you have it. Kraftwerks Super Charger installed on 2013 Mazda Miata MX-5. Gotta put the power steering cap back on, and we're good to go, fellas. There it is. Kraftwerks. We'll take you for a ride along in the first test drive we get to that point. Alright guys, the complete Kraftwerks Supercharger kit is installed in this 2013 Mazda Miata MX-5. The only thing left to do is a fuel pump, and we're completely squared away. So, the install was trying it best because of the documentation in the literature. So, but we're completely together. Only thing left to do is install the fuel pump. I mean, it runs and drives, but we have not uploaded the tune yet, and we have not installed the fuel pump. But other than that, it starts right up. So, what do you think, Bill?
I love it. I think it looks great. It went in there. Everything looks like it's factory installed. It's a nice, clean kit. But as Richie said, there are some really screwy parts to it that they leave a lot to your imagination to figure it out.
Sure.
But all in all, I'm happy.
All right, so we'll catch up with you guys in a little while. After we do the fuel pump install, we'll get back to you guys and document how the tune installs and the fuel pump and stuff like that, and we'll take it for the first rip. I'll put the camera on the car as we cruise down the street and get Bill's initial reaction, and we'll go from there. But as far as that, I mean, that's it for today. Be sure to, please subscribe, follow us on Instagram at @boost_kings, and be sure to subscribe. Catch you guys next time.